Often when people think about athletes and sport, they think about physical health and strength only. Something that isn't taken as seriously is the mental side of things and mental health. Having played sport myself and going through mental health challenges whilst being a sports person, I've definitely come to see how having mental health challenges can actually affect your performance. At Sporting Wellness, we strongly believe that every athlete in the UK should have access to professional mental health support to give them the best possible chance at success on and off the pitch.
If an athlete wanted to access our services, they would complete the online referral form, which would come through to me via email, at which point I would then have to extract all the data manually and input that onto an Excel spreadsheet before I could actually then approve the referral. I felt the process as it was too time consuming and not very cost effective, and that's when I reached out to Vantage 365 for some support.
So when we first started speaking to Sporting Wellness, and specifically Vicky, the first thing that we wanted to find out was where they are at the moment, what their pain points are. So what we've actually implemented for Sporting Wellness is a solution that takes inputs from their website, processes the information that's been received, stores it securely, and then ultimately provides a dashboarded report off the back of that for Callum to then be able to see the state of play of where Sporting Wellness are. When someone submits a referral form on the website, it sends an email to a shared mailbox. We use Power Automate, which is the automation platform within Microsoft 365, to pick up that email and take out the information that's needed and then storing that so that Vicky can then review it. Every time something changes in that storage mechanism, we have further automations that will send information back to the person who's requested the information automatically, as well as automatically updating the dashboard so that Callum can see exactly who's been referred, what help they need, and how he can further help them going forward.
The work that Vantage 365 have done for Sporting Wellness is truly invaluable because as a small charity we don't have the resources to put loads of time into administration.
We're more cost efficient, time efficient for my time. The data is accurate because it's what the athletes provided. And from a governance perspective, we make sure we're holding the right data at the right time for the right people.
What was clear about working with Vantage 365 was just how much industry knowledge they had. By having them work with us to invest in the back end of the charity, we've streamlined our approach, which has freed us up to spend more time on actually delivering the services for the athletes.
It has completely transformed my working day. The way we are supporting our athletes is so much better, so a big thank you from me.
There's a huge amount of functionality within Microsoft 365 that people just don't know about, whether that is automation, whether it's the app building, the reporting aspects. We are here to help all organisations, regardless of size, regardless of what sector, to get the most out of the technology that you're already buying. So if you do need some help or you just want a conversation, please do get in touch.